Give us a Merry Christmas, Darcy.
Merry Christmas.
What are we going to do now?
Open presents.
Can you show me the presents? Woo! But now you have it too.
Yes, I got what Sariana got one time.
She'll know what that one is.
Mommy, this is just what I wanted.
I know, honey. You told me.
Cool. Yeah, I got my helicopter.
You need help, Darcy? You okay?
Okay.
Now I just need a shrinking machine.
Need a shrinking machine, he said.
I'd shrink him if I could. I don't know.
This tells me it's Mandy.
What is it?
Manny.
Oh, is it the toolbox that you wanted?
Yeah, it has the tool.
That looks like a fun game.
It's like a castle game. I thought Daddy would like to play it with you. What do you think?
What do you do?
I don't know yet. I think you make castles.
Right?
Yeah, they go together.
These two go together.
Okay, dear.
And they're both
Are you gonna wear that hat all morning?
What's
it say? Oh
For me.
goodness, that's better.
Trilogy?
You like? What do you got there, Dars? Do you see what it is? It's a real tea set.
Real one?
Yeah, like breakable dishes and everything.
Last man standing.
Miss P.
Do you remember what Miss Peep is?